We'll guide you through how to delete your Mailchimp account. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to Mailchimp.com. Log in with your credentials to get to your dashboard. Once you're there, look for your profile name or avatar in the top right corner and click on it. From the drop-down menu, select Account. This will take you to the Account Settings page. Now, on the top hand, click on Settings and then go to Manage My Plan. There you will see Pause or Delete Account. You'll see two options: pause or permanently delete this account. Since we're focusing on deleting, click on Permanently Delete this account. Mailchimp will ask you to confirm that you want to delete your account permanently. Make sure you've backed up any important data because this action cannot be undone. You'll also need to enter your password to confirm. After doing that, click Delete Account. Mailchimp might ask for feedback, which you can fill out or skip. After confirming, your account will be deleted, and you won't be able to access any data or campaigns associated with that account. Keep in mind that if you have any active subscriptions, you should cancel them before deleting your account to avoid further charges. And that's it. Your Mailchimp account is now deleted. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.